IDBI assistant manager salary. What is the salary of an IDBI assistant manager? This is what students are asking. So guys, this is very obvious to ask regarding the salary, because salary is the first and foremost thing because of which we motivate towards a particular exam or a particular post. That's why it is very obvious to ask regarding the salary. Hi friend, my name is Akash Shukla. I teach you quantitative aptitude for all banking and insurance exam at Entry App. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing the complete salary structure of the IDBI Assistant Manager 2021. So guys, I have the complete salary structure. So let me tell you what is the salary structure of IDBI Assistant Manager. So guys, you all know that if you have gone through the notification of IDBI Assistant Manager 2021, so the basic pay that will be provided to IDBI assistant manager per month is mentioned as 36,000 per month. Yes guys, so आपका बेसिक पे क्या है, वो 36,000 रुपये है, 36,000 पर मंथ है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, दिस इज नॉट द सैलरी, बिकॉज अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग वेरियस अलाउंसेज एज पर द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, जो कि एक बैंकिंग एम्प्लॉय को प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. So guys, you will be getting various allowances. And what are those allowances guys? So allowances like DA, HRA, special allowances, NPS basic bank, NPS DA bank. So guys, if we combine all these allowances, so guys, only allowances, the allowances will vary from 25,000 to 28,000 guys. Yes. So if we combine the basic pay and the allowances, then guys, your gross pay or cost to company will vary from 60,000 to 64,000 guys. So very handsome salary you will be getting if you will be selected as an IDBI assistant manager guys. So this is a very good salary. If we talk about the deduction, so yes guys, deduction like tax, PF or some schemes if you have taken from the bank, so guys definitely there will be some deductions also. So what your deductions will be? So deductions varies from 9,000 to 12,000. And in the same way guys, why allowances varies? Basically allowances vary from your city to city or from state to state, because किसी सिटी में महंगाई भत्ता जो है वो कहीं कम है, किसी में ज़्यादा है. ऑब्वियसली इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट दी अ स्टेट ऑफ यूपी, सिटी ऑफ यूपी बेसिकली, so that is much less expensive than the Bengaluru. So if you will be posted in the Bengaluru, so guys you will be getting very good amount of allowances. So guys, this is what you will be getting after becoming an IDBI assistant manager. बहुत सारे allowances होते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर allowances. इफ़ यू हैव एन व्हीकल, सो उसका पेट्रोल का, ठीक है. इफ़ यू हैव बॉट अ व्हीकल, सो फिर उस ऐसा भी हो सकता है उसकी जो किस्त है वो भी आपको मिले वहाँ से अलाउंसेस के रूप में. So guys, various types of allowances you will be getting. In fact, mobile, internet. So these allowances you will also be getting. So if we combine all the allowances, then guys, these allowances vary from 25,000 to 28,000, and your basic pay is 36,000 mentioned the salary. In this way, mention the notification. In this way, guys, you will be getting 60,000 to 64,000 per month, and this is your gross salary, not the salary in hand. So salary in hand, obviously guys, after deductions, the PF and your tax and and other schemes as well. So definitely you will be getting 9,000 to 12,000 minus from the gross pay. So this is how the salary structure of the IDBI assistant manager will be. If you guys are preparing for IDBI or another banking and insurance exam 2021, then you guys can join our Entry Gold Banking batch. फॉर दैट पर्पज यू हैव टू फिल अ स्मॉल गूगल फॉर्म, जो कि आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन फील्ड और पिन कमेंट में मिल जाएगा. सो विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू फ्री लाइव ट्रायल क्लासेस गाइस. फ्री लाइव आपको क्लासेस प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी, ट्रायल क्लासेस, ठीक है. और उसके बाद आपको आपकी मर्जी है, इफ़ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू, अदरवाइज 3 जो क्लासेस रहेंगी वो ट्रायल क्लासेस रहेंगी फॉर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू कैन ज्वाइन गाइस. सो दिस इज आकाश शुक्ला साइनिंग ऑफ, एंड गुड लक फॉर द एग्जाम गाइस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.